Yeah, good morning because I'm making this video in the morning as I promised I'm going to make the video. So today we're going to learn about how to get AI to give you the prompts for your video generation. How to generate your prompts from AI, from ChatGPT for your video generation according to your niche. But the example I'm going to give now, the thing we're going to do now is applicable to every other niche that you can think of. What I'm going to do now is applicable to every other niche that you want to go into. So now, the truth is that if you want to do content creation, especially automation, YouTube automation, faceless content creation, or even any other video, or even though you want to show your face, ChatGPT and any other AI search engine should be your friend because they will guide you properly on what to do and what not to do, especially ChatGPT. That is one I recommend most. So the first thing you have to do is we're going to use health and fitness niche for this example. So what you're going to do first is you take ChatGPT. You can use your typing this, but I usually use. That's why whenever I want to make a video, I like to stay in a calm place. But if you're not in a calm place, well, so long as you're in a place where your voice can be recorded, you can do it. Else, you can also type, but that typing is stressful, sort of for me. So this is what I will do. You click. So after that, you send. This one is just you can say something better. You can see what they said. If your goal is high retention plus high RPM plus evergreen views, don't chase broad topics like 10 benefits of water, blah, 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 blah. You can see this is why you need ChatGPT, right? You can see here are some categories I would prioritize. Hidden signs your body is giving you. You see, this is one of the topics. This is another topic, food you are eating wrong. They said very viral. Age-based health. 3. Medical myths, sleep, heart health, gut health, brain health, men's health, women health, and blah blah blah. So now, out of all this, you can copy all of them. You can see here now under these hidden signs your body is giving you. You can see example of the of topics. 7 signs your liver is crying for help. Your feet can reveal that these 8 health problems. These are different topics. 9 silent signs of vitamin B12 deficiency. What your fingernail says about your health. Early warning signs of diabetes most people ignore. Your eyes may reveal these dangerous diseases. 5 signs your kidney are not working properly. Why you wake up at 3 a.m. every night. These are different topics that you can dive into. You see, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has already given you 9 topics or videos to post in 9 different days. And these videos, if you want to post them in short, you can generate them as a long video and then split them. Each of these topics now can give you up to, let's say, 5 to 6 shots. If you create a 5 video long, a long video of 5 minutes, You can split it into 1 minute or split it into 30 seconds, and it will give you a lot of viral shots. But if you want, after posting it as a long video, you can also cut them again and repost it on YouTube as shorts, right? So now let's go with this. So I can just come here, 7 signs your body is crying for help. Okay, right? And I wouldn't want to go down giving it more prompts here because I would like to keep this particular topic separate so that I'll come back and copy anything. Then you come back here, you paste this first topic, and you say, give me a prompt to develop this topic into, let's say, into a 4 minutes or 5 minutes video, into a 5 minute faceless video, right? You paste it, you can see you are you are a professional YouTube health content creator. Use this master prompt with ChatGPT or another AI writer to turn your title into a highly engaging 5 minutes faceless YouTube video. You can see it. So now this is what they asked you. This is the prompt that they generated, right? So all you need to do now is to copy this prompt again, right? You copy this prompt again. You can see what they wrote there. You are a professional YouTube health content writer with expertise in audience retention and storytelling. So what this thing now is an instruction, what they want the AI storytelling to do, right? So all you need to do is to copy it again and open another page and paste this exact um you see it. So it's starting from number 1 to number 5. Now it's giving you all the uh this thing, all the scenes. Just follow me step by step. You understand what I'm doing. You can use, yeah, they are talking about music background, but you might not want to use music background, or you can just use any constant music background at all the time. Anytime you're posting a video, use that particular music background. You understand? So after this now, you ask ChatGPT, you still ask this ChatGPT now to generate you a picture, a visual, a realistic, give you a realistic picture prompt to generate the scenes, right? So give me a hyper realistic, or let's say a realistic, no, let me use hyper realistic picture cinema picture prompt. Why I asked you to use picture first? I would have used video, but it's good that you use picture so that your distance will be constant to convert into a video, to video scenes for this topic. Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. Now, if you come here now, you copy these pictures, this right? Copy it If you like, you can also paste it again in ChatGPT, or you use or you use let me show you another picture edition to use. Gemini, right? You paste it and you go. You can see it, right? This is how you generate those. Okay, you can tell Gemini now to download this first. Download this first. Save first rather. After saving, you can tell Gemini to convert the photo to a portrait format, depending on any format that you want to produce. Whether you want to produce a YouTube long video format that is 16.9 or 9.16, right? 9.16 is the 9.16 is the this thing. You can see it. Why they are not showing the faces, because what you are concentrating on is, you understand, is the display. So now after you come again, you save. I don't need to save all these things, sha, but I'm just saving it. I'm just showing you. You save, then you go back, you copy the second scene, you copy the second scene. Was it was it the first one I copied? Or the second one? Let me see which one did I copy first. Just follow me. Just follow me. Okay, then second, you click, paste again. As it's generating, you can go ahead and copy the third prompt. Sorry. See, this is the liver. Oh, this is scary. So you can ask it also after generating this, as if you want to be generating two different formats. You can also ask it to convert it back to 16.9 format, and to convert it back to this style. You understand? You paste another one, right? You paste another one like this. It will keep generating all the scenes. After generating all the scenes, let me just stop here. So I don't want this video to be too. How many minutes now? 14 minutes. Wow, it's already too long. After generating all these things, you go back. You go back. This is another app that you need to download. I'll show you how to use this app too. The next video I'm going to make will be how to use this app. This app was the app I was explaining to you people. This app, see this app, it is called Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI. See this app, download it, and then from You can just type it on your your Chrome browser, leonardo.ai, and it will give you an option to download it, or you can do it directly from. Then you create the account. So today, what I have succeeded in teaching you is how to generate the prompts, right? How to generate the prompt for your picture. That's the first thing you should do. Generate prompts for picture. The reason why you're generating the prompts for the picture, as already explained before now, is because if you just go ahead and ask, it's not as if you cannot also just copy this prompt and then ask it to use it like this to generate video direct. If you go now, copy it and paste it for video generation, it will also generate a video for you, but it will not be consistent. Sometimes it might make mistake because you did not give it any sample of exactly what you want. But if you don't have anything, any particular visual style that you have in mind, you can just go ahead, copy the prompt and paste it on that Leonardo AI, and it will generate a video for you that does not have a voice. It will just be a silent video. Then you copy the prompt for the voice. I'll show you the app that you're going to also use. If you have a laptop, there is an app, there is a software that is free that I'm using that you don't even need to connect it to internet. After downloading it, you can just use it to clone your own voice and then paste anything there. It will repeat what you pasted in your voice. Then you put it on the background, right? So the first thing we have done today is a step by step is how to generate prompt. This thing now you can use it to do any other thing. You can use it to generate any other prompt for, maybe I want to create a video for a YouTube video titled uh, uh, when I was young. Then you ask the ChatGPT to give you a full um, prompt for a video of, let's say, 30 minutes or 1 hour. Only that you will still need to generate all the this in small. That's why they pay AI content generators very high amount to generate videos, especially those Nollywood kind of videos. So I hope you understand. If you have any question, this is where we're going to be. Until you understand this one and you're able to do it well, then I will show you the next step. Thank you and God bless you.